Guys, this is me, Nicole the cat, and I am back with my webcam because I found it like a couple of days ago. What's really good. We're playing Roblox. We are playing mining simulator on it. What is going to be really fun. I've already started playing this before, but I just like playing it so much. I want to go back to surface, please. Where's this hole here? See, this is why I always do it. I let people dig down because they never get the stuff on the edges, and then I kind of just, you know, dig on the edges and then get whatever they left. It's kind of good method because you just leave it and it's like, Mr. Speed is somewhere, but I don't know where. He disappeared. Mr. Speed's my pet, by the way. You can get pets on this. Isn't the biggest of holes? Oh my god, get away. Mate, this is all mine. Don't know where the hell he went, but okay. Get you. Get you. Get you, get you, go down. The best thing that I've got yet is probably, I can't say it, it's like hair something a night or something like that. I can't say it, but yeah, that's probably the best thing. And it gave me 700 this bit. Hairs on me, it gives you 700 gold. No, the best thing is probably the golden chest pot give you 1,250. Those are probably the best. I know you should go down to get more stuff, but you need nukes and stuff like that to destroy most of the stuff down there. So I don't really bother. I just kind of dig up, down, like this bit, and then when it reaches down to the bottom, I would go back to surface. A lot of things around here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I am gonna try and do a giveaway soon, so don't worry. I will try and do a giveaway. I am learning how, so hopefully I will learn by I don't know, next week or something, hopefully. Something like that, maybe. But yeah, I have a really good drill. You don't start with this drill, you start with a little hoe or something like that. But yeah, I've got this, and I can hold 2,500 in my bag. You start with I don't know, maybe 50, 100 or something. What's way, you can't even get anything. This is 125 right there to put in your pockets. That's hard enough. Okay, let's just keep on doing this, doing that, doing this. Get that. Even though the coal isn't the best of things, it's better than you know, dirt. Oh, here we go. I have to sell. Just made a lot of money there. That's really good. Okay, so which hole was it? It was this. It doesn't hurt you when you dig down, so jump down the hole. That's great. It is good. Okay, get that. Now this. This. That. Get some of this. I'm gonna quickly trade with someone. because I don't want all my stuff. And since this person doesn't exactly have anything, I'm gonna try and help her out, you know. Or him. Oh, need to sneeze. Hey. Okay, I lost the sneeze. Okay. No call, okay. Let's go down. Get this, get that. Get that. Get some of this. Get some of that. It is probably good to make your own hole, but people always come into your hole and then they keep digging down and it's like, really? Like, I tried to make my own hole like ages ago. Okay, well, someone's gone down there. So let's just dig this, dig that, dig this, dig that. And I guess let's get this out of the way and start digging here, I guess. See, look, my backpack's almost full. I haven't been down here for a long time. Just put in the comments what videos you want me to do. I can do more Minecraft if you want. Well, I'm trying to sort out my Minecraft because it kind of like got destroyed. Oh. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I wanted to help that person out, give them some stuff, you know. Since I don't think they had anything really. Just like helping people out. There we go, get some of this, get some of that. You can see, look, this stuff's hard to break and this is just stone. Oh, I bet you it won't let me destroy it after. I'm gonna destroy it and be like, yeah, you can't get this until you get like a nuke or something. Or it's gonna let me have it, please. Yes! Let me have it, nice. Really nice. Oh, here's another as well. Oh, this is awesome, I'm gonna be like rich. Come on. Get this mythical chest. I haven't got a mythical chest before. This is like the highest chest that I've got. Because normally the chests that I get are like only, I don't know, like probably like 1,250. But yeah, that's a lot of money right there. That's the highest thing that I've ever got in money. Okay, let's dig down. Start digging down. I don't think this is the furthest I've got, because I did jump into a hole one time. What went down really, really, really far. It started turning like light blue. Oh, mine filled in. Okay. Sell everything. Got 7,000. Nice. See, look, you have to get like nukes and stuff. Where is it? Tools. See, look, I've got this. I do. And the next thing is that. But you have to get like, where is it? The nuke. Oh, yeah, the nuke's like Robux. I don't have Robux. I think I would have to get like, I don't know, this then. That's a lot of money, since I only have 7,000. That's a lot of money. I think I'm gonna save up for that because I don't have all these, but it's only because like they're really bad. This is the highest thing you can get. Well, that's with Robux. This is the highest thing you can get with money. Let's see my backpacks. I've got this, and the next one's that. I should probably maybe get that instead, but no. No! This person has a better thing than me. I'm just going to go down so I can collect all this stuff after. Yeah, he has a way better thing than me. I think I have a better, I don't know, backpack than him maybe. I know which one to go down. Definitely this one. Because you can just collect everything on the side, you know, when you go down. Because you don't, when you're like down there, no one does. They always zoom past to get all the good stuff. But the good stuff is probably the same amount as this. And then when you get down, they'll be even further. So when they get the good stuff, you can go down and get the good stuff too. You know, it's really cool. If anyone wants to like maybe do a collab or like just play with me, please put in the comments and I will try and sort something out with you. Because I would love to play with my fans. And I have put quite a lot of videos up today. What was really cool to be doing videos again. Haven't done videos since ever. Because I've been moving, I've been busy and stuff like that, you know. And my phone's broken out. Not good. So I can't even text people or anything like that. But I'm getting a new phone by like, I don't know, Tuesday I think. And it's Saturday today. What's this? Copper. Coal, copper. Ooh. Jeez, almost fell down again. Oh, quartz are good as well. Because there's quite a lot of quartz, but it's like 300. Probably more than Pezonite, whatever. I can't say it. Pezonite. Pezonite? I hope that's how you spell it. No. Say it, not spell it. This is not a spelling test. Let's go all the way down here and see what's down here. See, look at all these things, all this stuff. Oh, did you see that like gold stuff there? I can't destroy that. It's too what is it called? Thingy for me. I think I passed like some ore, but that's fine. And the good thing about going on the sides is like things can be like behind the block that you broke, what wasn't there before. So you could get like double or something like that. That's really good. Got coal here. See, look, this is the gold chest. It's really good as well. But the mythical chest is way better. I haven't seen a mythical chest before since we've been doing this. I know we are in the mines, but this is the end of this video. I will continue after, but I will have to see you in the next video. Bye.